We're here at Anchor Point, Alaska. We're going halibut fishing today with Keogh's Charters. It's a bit rainy, but it's going to be a fantastic day today. This is the deckhand right here. Say hi. What's your name?
I'm Hunter.
Hey Hunter. How long have you been doing this?
It's my 5th year deckhanding.
Wow, okay, cool. This is our skipper today, Capt.Levi. Capt.Levi, how long have you been skippering this boat?
9 years.
9 years.
Yeah.
We catching fish today, man?
For sure.
So Levi, I watched him grow up from a kid.
Yeah.
This guy right here can do it. We're going fishing today.
You make the famous. Yeah, I'll make the famous.
This is a tractor pull. It'll put you in and out of the water. Generally safe. Won't it? Huh? Generally safe.
Generally.
Mostly safe. Excellent launch, skipper.
Thank you. Out, so that's how come we came down early, like we were here yesterday. So okay. But now we're just here fishing.
Virgins just keep reeling and reeling. I'm not sure what's going on.
It's going.
Is it going? You guys still got a fish on there and you're sure you're not just fighting the weight?
I hope I'm not. Never caught one. Well, you'll know. Trust me, you'll know. We'll all be on America. Yeah.
Oh yeah. We have a butt virgin right here. He's never caught a halibut before.
First time.
First time ever. We have another butt virgin over here too. What is that, Hunter?
It's an arrow-tooth flounder.
It looks like a halibut. It's not?
Nope. Look how skinny he is, and he's got big old teeth in him.
Uh-huh. So that's not a halibut. That's not the targeted species.
I need slide up towards the cabin for me, and then I need somebody to hang on to this one for me. I just keep going.
Oh, that's a nice fish. Look at that. Nice. Weehaw! That's a pretty nice fish for your very first one ever.
No longer a virgin. He's got to kiss it.
Well, look at that. Hold that up. That's pretty nice. Holy mackerel. Oh, that's a holy halibut.
Holy halibut. I'll take that. You can stand over here and get a picture. All right.
All right.
On Russell.
Right in the eye. Good shot. Check this out.